Good morning, class. Well, today we get to take a break for a minute and just review what we went over this week. I have a book trailer I would like you to watch, so enjoy. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Next, no, we're going to review. We went over the First, we went over the rivers and bodies of water and was introduced to the first civilizations. The cradle of civilization was Mesopotamia in the four great river valleys: Egypt in the Nile River Valley, Tigris, Euphrates River Valley, Indus Valley, and the Honghe Valley. We sailed down Africa on the Nile River and headed to Syria and Turkey to explore the Tigris River, along with the Euphrates River, who flows parallel to the Tigris River, and they empty into the Persian Gulf. After that, we went to India, Pakistan, and Tibet and seen the Indus River. China has the largest river, called the Yellow River. We went all around the globe on the second half of the first day by traveling on an ocean liner to the Arctic Ocean. And we did a flip and seen the polar bears and penguins in Antarctica. That is surrounded by the Southern Ocean. We explored the only inland ocean, called the Indian Ocean. I am glad we weren't like the Titanic and we didn't sink in the Atlantic Ocean. The last ocean was the largest and covers nearly 50% of the world, the Pacific Ocean. We traveled back inland to the Black Sea, Caspian Sea, and the Red Sea to finish off our first day of studies. The second day, we had to put on our hiking boots and found some high peaks on the mountain ranges around the world. We went to the Alps and the Andes. Nope, the Andes. Caught you on that one. We flew over the Himalayas. The Ural Mountains was a treat. I am glad we didn't get attacked by a Viking in the Scandinavian mountain range. Hey, the Titanic's rescuer, the Carpathia. No, but we got introduced to the Carpathian Mountains. We ended our excursion on the Atlas Mountain in the Pyrenees. Then we met some empires, namely the Ottoman Empire and the Russian Empire. We visited Big Ben and King Edward III in England. We traveled back and walked the Great Wall of China in the time of the Ming Dynasty. We met some Mongols along the way at the Golden Horde. Wow, we went places. Now the journey doesn't stop here, but we need to test our knowledge on the things that we have seen before we move on. Tomorrow is a test on all of our places that we have seen and visited. You should get on Google Classroom and connect because we have a Quizlet on there that will help you learn this. Remember to go back over the PowerPoint notes, study hard, and I am confident in your ability to succeed on this test. And I am going to show you where Google Classroom is. We have it right here. This is the test that you will be completing. You will pick your answers, and we also have Quizlet on here. This will be available for you also. It's got different games on there. You can do the matching game, you can do a test, or you can quiz yourself, or you can even make flashcards with it. We also have Symbaloo, which is very good. There's different games that you can get on, like the world games. It teaches you the countries and continents and oceans. And it will also teach you about the mountains and different things also. There's Satara, which is a geography game, and it helps you. So, I will upload my PowerPoints and my videos to Google Classroom to help you, but there is no cheating, and it will let me know if you do. The test is designed to notify whenever you open another screen or even try to use Google. So, I hope you have a good day.